What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're making a keto-friendly chicken and cabbage stir fry. Got some really good stuff going in here. And yeah, let's just check it out, get it going. So here's the veggies we're throwing in here. We got some celery, carrots, orange bell peppers, zucchini, some whites from scallions, broccoli, cabbage. We got some green onion we're gonna throw on at the end. We got about 1.25 pounds of chicken breast right here. And we got some amazing sauce. So that's all it is. Let's get it going. So got some avocado oil we're putting down. Now, avocado oil I like to use because it has a really high smoke temp. It's around 520. And it's also really good to use for keto. You know, for very low carb, all that stuff. So that's why I like to use that. With all the stuff that I make, it's not all that healthy, but you know, throwing a little bit of that kind of thing in there, I guess, you know, makes me feel a little better about it. So let's go ahead and get these veggies going. All right. Just gonna get these things going nice and good. I'm gonna throw the cabbage, sorry, losing it. Gonna throw that in after these start to cook a little more. Got the veggies going over here. I'm just gonna start putting this chicken down over here. Now this is just chicken breast. Oh, forgot to put down some oil. So let's just spray a little bit of the avocado over here. Spray it on there, that's fine. All right, let's just get this stuff on. I hate it when you put chicken in a dish like this and all the liquid at the bottom. I hate that. I'm just trying to spread it out a little bit. Just cut it into slices, thin slices roughly. Get some of that juice off there. Oh, all right. And that's that. That's pretty much all we're gonna add on right now. These veggies are going good. Want to get just a slight sear on them veggies before we throw the cabbage in with it. All right, yep. These veggies are looking really good. Got a slight sear going on them. So let's throw in some cabbage. Just break it up a little bit more. It's gonna cook down. So it's gonna almost look like onion in there. All right, boom. Want to stir it up a little bit. Oh. All right. All right, so we're gonna throw some butter on here, get a little fat in there. Boom, it's a good amount. The keto diet is a lot of fat. There's a lot of fat, like low to no carb, and a lot of fat. So I don't have a dome big enough for all this, so we're good with that. But let's check on this chicken. All right, let's check on these. Oh, geez, a little warm. All right, let's just toss this around, get that butter. Ooh. All right, know what I'm gonna do? No, I'm not gonna, not yet. That butter made everything nice and juicy. Ooh, boy, look at that. Now, there's a few pieces of this cabbage that got a little over seared, but that's still gonna be good. I know it is. Because the sauce that we're putting on, it's made with water, sesame, seed oil, soy sauce, some chili garlic sauce, some really good stuff in there. Can make any dish good. Look at that, that looks so good. Man, this smells so good. Maybe next time I'll throw a little cornstarch in with the sauce to kind of thicken it up a little bit. And if I don't know if you can use that for, you know, keto low carb stuff, but if you can, that's what I would do. But man, this is looking nice and juicy. Ooh, I'm excited. I am super excited. Let's just dish this up and give it a try. What do you think? Almost forgot to add the green onion. Now that's just because regular onion and you know, white onion, sweet onion, all that. There's too much sugar and carbs in that, so you're not supposed to do it. But we did the scallions, which is like half of what a normal onion is. So yeah, now I'm gonna dish it up. So what do I want here? I know I want some of these veggies. Get that cabbage, chicken, get in there. Chicken's nice and tender. Nice crunch on those veggies. Cabbage is eluding me. Oh, that's good. That sauce. You don't want to overdo the sesame oil. I think it was 2 tablespoons of sesame oil in that thing with water and all the other stuff. But man, this is really good. I feel like it's missing something. I mean, it's got really good flavor, but I just feel like it's missing something. Maybe some spice. Should have thrown like a jalapeno or something in. But that's not bad. No, my first time ever making a keto-ish low carb meal like this. But man, came out pretty good. I like it. And if you guys like it, hit that thumbs up for me. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.